Hi everyone, today we're diving into an exciting way to make money by doing something you probably love, playing video games. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about game testing and quality assurance. So, what exactly does a game tester do? Essentially, you get paid to play games before they hit the market. You'll be identifying bugs, providing feedbacks on gameplay mechanics, and making sure everything works as it should. Sounds fun, right? Now, how can you get started? First, check out platforms like PlaytestCloud and UserTesting. These sites connect you with developers looking for a tester. You can also find opportunities on BetaTesting and GameTester. Just sign up, fill out your profile, and start applying for testing gigs. What skills do you need? A keen eye for details is essential, and you should be able to communicate your thoughts clearly. Whether you're a console gamer or a mobile enthusiast, there's a spot for you. Also, don't forget to create a strong profile showcasing your gaming experience. Developers are more likely to choose testers who show a genuine passion for gaming. So, if you're looking for a fun way to earn some cash on the side, game testing might be your ticket. Give it a try and turn your gaming skills into income. If you found this info helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment if you're interested in game testing, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money doing what you love. See you in the next video.